While preparing a document, we have to set up certain features such as adding a title in the document, margin settings, line spacing in the text, etc. Further features such as changing the font size, changing the text to boldface or italics or underline text, etc. are to be considered. In this video, we shall discuss how to incorporate these features in a document using Latex.
Now for getting a title for our document, you have to type /title and you have to type the title name and introduction to LaTeX, and you have to set another comment, make title. Now if you run the file, you will see this one. Okay, now we know in our introduction class we noticed the style of LaTeX. Let's just change the style of LaTeX. You use the command /LAT capital and X is also in capital letter. Now what will be the output? We'll see this one. I will encharge. Okay. Now I would like to discuss something about formatting of the text. If you need this font in boldface, you need to type /textbf and you have to put the word in curly bracket. Now let us look at our output. Hello. Now if you need an underline for this document, this sentence, you just type underline /underline. The output will be show like this: hello, hello, hello. Okay, now just look at the input. You have typed this in first line and this is in second line. Now what about the output? In output, these are in same line. So to get the output in next line, you have to include one more comment. Let's go there and double slash for the enter. Okay. To get an italic word, you have to type /text it sample. Okay, there is an easy way to get this boldface, italic and underline. Now just look at this. Just I have typed some word. Okay, and if I select this word and click on this button, this will show TextBF. This is a icon to get a boldface letter, and if you select the same word, and if you select italics, you will get italics, word in italics, then same word. Okay, use underline, and if you run, you will get output like this. First one bold, then italics, then underline. Okay. Now let us discuss something about alignment of the document. If you need a central alignment, you have to select this word and go to this command. Begin sender and end sender. You can type this command directly, or you click on this link. After this command, you can there is no need of double slash. That's why. Okay, how are you will appear in center, and all other have left alignment. Now I can select this word, and this is a right alignment, and you have to remove this double slash. Okay, world will go to the right side. Now if you mark this, if you use double slash here, and if I run this file, this error appears, and this is the error. Okay, and here in line 12 there is no line here to end, and in this line there is an error. That is, before that you had typed double slash, so we have to remove that and then run. Okay, now we will discuss something about use packages. Now just look at this portion, the space between document class and begin document. This space we call as a preamble of the document. Now in this you can type any use packages. Let us look at some document. I already removed all other wordings we have already typed. Now let's look at some. How are you? Okay, if you run this look like this. Okay, now if I would like to add an equation, so I started begin align x equal to y slash and align okay. If you run this file, this will show error. So if you add some use package slash use package AMS math here, and after that if you run this file, you will get an equation like this, x equal to y. Okay, the equation number will be appeared here. Okay, if you mark this as star, and here also you can mark star. If you run this file, the equation number will be removed. Okay, now if you type a letter for real numbers, you can use the command slash math bbr, and if you run this file, there's also an error. This package slash use package AMS sim. Here also, sorry, you have to put some dollar here. For mathematical command, you have to put dollar sign. This way. Okay. Now, if you need to add some SI unit, then you have to use the use package slash use package SI unit. Okay. And if I type like this slash SI 3 units 3 micrometer slash micro slash meter and if you run this file, we'll get 3 micrometer. Okay. Also, if you need some ampere, 3/si/ampere, we'll get output like this, 3A. Okay. For getting margin, you can use the command /use package geometry. Here you can set the style margin equal to 1 inch. If you run this file, you will get a margin of 1 inch everywhere. You can change margin, set left margin, right margin, etc. Then we will discuss later. Okay, if you type like this, I'll just this one and this one. What about the output? Output, it will look like this. This one. Okay. Now for this, for getting this command, use the use package /use package phonic and you have to mark some command T1 here, T capital 1, and then run the file. This will appear like this. Now let us look how to add line spacing. So I had pasted one paragraph here. Just look at here. This is our document. Now you use some use package /use package set space. Okay. Now after this make title, if you use /1/2 spacing, the line spacing will increase. Okay. Now after this, I would like to add some paragraph. So here you type a double enter. Okay. If you add more spaces, that will never affect our document. This we get 2 paragraph. Okay. Now here I add /double spacing. Okay. This is 1/2 spacing and this is double spacing. Similarly, you can add other spacing also, but for other spacing we need another command like line stretching that we will discuss later. For bibliography, you can use the use package natbib. We will discuss more about bibliography in another section. Now we discuss line spacing in LaTeX. There are several predefined lengths in LaTeX. For example, baseline skip, column width, line width, text width, even side margin, odd side margin, par script, etc. Now we will discuss each one by one. Okay. Suppose deleting this. Okay. Now before that, I will explain each term one by one. Baseline skip means which is a vertical distance between line in a paragraph. Column width means width of a columns. Or there is another comment that I forget to write. Column step. Column step means a distance between columns in document. Line width means width of a line in the current environment. Text width, width of the text in the text area in the page. Now this even side margin, and we can set even side margin and odd side margin in a document. This is actually used in a two-sided document, especially in book class. Here we take already article class. For book class, we can set odd even side margin and odd side margin. Okay, now we can change this default setting using the command /the command, and we can set as line skip or a space as we want. Okay, now just look at this case. So I am deleting this, and here we have a paragraph. Okay, so just now we have already discussed about line spacing, like discussed the use package /set spice. Using that command use package, we get spacing in 1.1/2 spacing, single spacing, and a double spacing. If we need a spacing other than this spacing, we can use the command /renew comment. Here you can put anything. Suppose you need a 1.3 spacing, then documents like this. Okay, you can change this. Suppose this, you take this as 3, so this will increase spacing between lines. Okay, and the command is /renew comment /baseline stretch. As this you can use any numerical value as you want. Now about renew command, this command we will discuss later. About this renew command, that we will discuss in another video. Okay, now suppose you need a 2-column document. You can set 2 column here. So here you can set 2 column. So some error in this. I just put a percentage sign here. Now 2 column. If we run this, we'll get output like this. Okay. So okay, we will remove this comment. Okay. Now here there is a title and author name, and sometimes there is a no need to add the date, so you can remove this date using the command. Here you can use /date, and if you mark today, then we'll get to today's date, and if we leave this as blank, this date will disappear from the document. Okay, now if you use the command some make title /h rule, So you will get this line here, and you can mark some double slash. This will not work. Enter. So we'll start with the value. No, here this is not working. Okay, if you use the command slash v space 1 centimeter or anything, you can use some 0.5. Okay, then we'll get some distance here. Now here I am taking the default document. Okay, now if we start, if you look at the paragraph, this start from here. If you need a paragraph starting from here, you can use the command slash no indent. Okay, then this paragraph start from here. Okay. Now there is another comment like hfill. Okay, suppose you have, if you type question paper etc., we always need time 3 hours or duration 3 hours, and in right side we will need maximum mark. Okay, for this suppose set time, and the command is slash hfill maximum mark. Okay, this command. Now there is another command like copying this. For hfill you write dot fill. Okay, you put double slash here. Then only we'll get the next line. 2 hour. This marked as dot. Okay. Now next is H rule fill. For H, replace this by H rule. Similarly, also there is V fill. For some A slash V fill B. Vertical fill. And base here. Base here and base here. Okay. Now there may be so many other commands available in Latex for changing the line spacing. Similarly, for getting some skip in a paragraph. Okay, if you use this command slash, there is another command slash big skip. Let's look at the output. The space increased. Okay, now there is another, can use here some slash Small skip. Chapter heading such as this. Here this one for the let's look at the difference. This is a big skip and this gives the small skip. Okay, the difference between the distance between two paragraphs decreased. Okay, that's all about today's section.
So in this video, we have learned how to set up a document and how to format using LaTeX. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you.